rainy and cold again. And how has your week been? I miss talking to you. And I miss the sound of your voice in the morning, the way that you hold me when I'm feeling blue. And don't get me wrong, it's a lovely place. And don't get me wrong,
stick with me, I'm your queen, like a Tennessee, Stella McCartney on the heat, just wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. You know I love a London boy, I enjoy walking so.
sometimes I wonder why I'm here, why I'm living. Why do I feel this fear of singing in front of you, of telling these things? After all, it's just words in a melody. So do you know, not anyone seems to really know, but heaven knows, right? Heaven knows, no, not even heaven seems to know anymore.
You know.
What the fuck is that about? Bonny and I were talking the other day, just like having another conniption over Coldplay, and like, how true are the lyrics? Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard, and it's just like, that is so true. Like,
Not even they can stop me now. Boy, I'll be flying overhead, and heavy words can't bring me down. Boy, I've been erased from the dead. No one even knows how hard life was, and I don't even think about it now, because I finally found you. Well, sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. playing on the radio.
Spiderwebs come out of actual nowhere.
I don't know how I'm feeling this weekend.
In terms of?
Just everything.
Physicality. Human interaction.
I just feel like really like disconnected from reality, and like I don't know what's happening.
Like you're not actually living what you're living right now.
Yeah.
Like you're kind of not actually here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
I've been having the thought a lot lately, like that nothing matters.
Yeah.
I worry about all these things in life, and it's just like,
Why am I worrying about
nothing
that?
actually matters. Like I'm
Yeah.
just, nobody actually like cares, but like in a good way, not in
Do you
like,
think I could park here? Maybe not.
maybe not. Yeah.
Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar venom, oh yeah. And baby love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. American dreams came true somehow. I swore I'd chase them till I was dead. The streets were paved with gold. That's what my father said. And no one even knows what life was like. Now I'm in LA and it's paradise. I finally found you.
Disconnected? No.
Do that to a woman?
Hi. I don't really know what that was. I've just been feeling really weird this week, and it kind of didn't feel normal for me to pick up the camera and film a video like I normally do. So I just kind of started filming little bits and pieces throughout the week, things that made me smile. And yeah, I don't really know how to put into words how I've been feeling this week, so instead I tried to just put it into a video and encapsulate it like that, and maybe some of you guys can relate, because it's a really weird time in the world right now, and I've just been feeling really disconnected and really strange. I don't know how to, like I said, I don't know how to put it into words. But, you know, and Australia hasn't even been impacted half as much as most other places in the world, so I can't even imagine what some of you might be going through right now. So yeah, let me know how you're doing down in the comments below. I would love to read them, how you're feeling, what's been happening, what's on your mind. I really appreciate you guys being here so much, and I love reading through your comments. They make my day. And I'm sorry if this video was a little bit weird, but it was just kind of fun to make it, and I felt like I needed to do something different and have a bit of fun with it. So yeah, this is what happened. Anyway, I'll see you guys in another video really soon, a normal video probably, and I hope you guys are doing really well. Yeah, anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye.